Hello, family. I'm going to make a strawberry pie. Come join me. Okay, so my camera was not on. So what I did, my camera was off. So what I did was I added 12 ounces of Sprite. And then I added one 3-ounce package of Jello. And then I mixed that. And then I added to that mixture, I added 1/4 cup of warm water. I mixed 1/4 cup of warm water with cornstarch and added that. And then I just stirred constantly until it cleared up. And then I turned the burner on medium high. And then I just kept stirring it till it cleared up like to this, because it's cloudy at first. And then I just stirred it constantly until it just barely came to a boil, just a little boil. And then now we just let this cool. All right, this is cooled down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix 1 pound of strawberries to it. And okay, I'm going to need more strawberries in that. These I had cut up, so. It says 1 pound, but this is 2 pounds, so I'm going to add the 2 pounds. I already cut them up and everything. We'll see what happens. I might have just completely failed at this. I'm sorry about that other part, but I will link the recipe in the description. Probably because I'm making 3 videos today. That's why you're going to see me in the same dress over and over again. But that's my Saturday. Okay, I got my pie shell here that I baked. Now we're just going to dump it in here. Whoa. All right, now this is going to go in the fridge for like 2 to 3 hours. All right, let's hope it works. First bite. Let's try it. Here you go. It's so fresh. So fresh tasting. Mm-mm-mm. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.